Welcome back to another DGP Diecast Grand Prix unboxing. Today we're going to go ahead and open up a 2013 SRT Viper Stars and Stripes series. And we're also going to open up Dodge Viper RX 10. So two Dodge Vipers, one convertible, and one Stars and Stripes edition. So let's get into it. Let's start off with the purple one first. Dodge Viper RT 10. Love the purple on this, classic stripes on that Viper. Convertible, black interior, clear windshield in the front. Interior there. Really like this glossy purple, I think that looks great. Let's take a look from the side. Spin test. I love how those look spinning. Nice spin test here. I think this is gonna do great on the track. No lights painted. You know how I feel about the lights. Nice decal on the side as well to match with the stripes here. Viper logo over here, Hot Wheels logo down there. Let's take a look at the back. Lights not painted on the back either. I think Hot Wheels could have done a little bit more on this, but I do like the color. Let me know what you guys think about this model. Do you like the purple? Do you not like the purple? Let me know how you feel about the stripes. I'm a big fan of the stripes personally. I think it's classic with the car. Dodge Viper RT10. Doesn't say it. I guess the DV stands for Dodge Viper. And then it says B06. Surprised they didn't write the full Dodge Viper on there. Nice classic look for a Dodge Viper. Very nice. And let's get into the next one. Stars and Stripes series. I'm honestly a little bit more excited for this one. The decals and the colors are going to really add to it. And I saw other Stars and Stripes series cars, but I didn't really care to get all the other ones, but I had to get the Viper. SRT. Once again, this is a 2013 SRT Viper. Love the red on this with the blue, white, and black decals. Nice rims. Go for a spin test. Nice spin test. The purple one actually had a better spin test, but I do like these rims. Nice decals on top. Stars and Stripe model. Lights painted. You know how I feel about the lights. Nice little hood scoop there. See, in my opinion, I think this one is a cleaner, maybe not cleaner, but it just looks better, in my opinion. The decals look great on this. Let's take a look at the back. Lights painted on the back as well. Great job, Hot Wheels. SRT Viper. 2013 Viper. Yeah, I think this looks great. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Also, for those of you that are into colors, red and blue makes purple. So I thought that would be a nice addition to the video. Red and blue, 2013 SRT Viper versus the Dodge Viper RT/10. Let me know which one you guys like more. Some people may not like these decals, and the classic stripes just look great. So this is what I mean by it's cleaner. Like all of this decal stuff, I think it looks really cool, but some people may not be into that. So let me know if you're someone who likes the stripes more. Do you like the decals on the SRT? I like them both personally. This would be a good team for the races. Dodge Viper team. How do you feel about the rims? I think those rims will look better. Let's cover this up. On the red, like these rims on the purple. '13 SRT Viper on the left, Dodge Viper RT/10 on the right in purple. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys like more. Alright, and thanks for watching another DGP Diecast Grand Prix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I certainly did. This is one of my favorite cars. And please go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well if you have Instagram at DGP_Diecast Grand Prix. Once again, DGP_Diecast Grand Prix. And give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Help us grow the channel. I'm going to do something special once we get to 100 subscribers. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.